Today we are going to study state space tree. First we will see state space tree of four queens problem, which includes basic terminologies of state space tree, followed by generating a state space tree for four queens problem. So let us start state space tree of four queens problem. The initial node is the starting state or initial state of a 4-queen problem where no queen is placed over a chessboard or 4x4 board. We have to first place first queen, for which we have four different options. Queen 1 will always go in row number 1, but for columns we have column 1, 2, 3 and 4 different options. So level 1 of state space tree is denoting row 1 of queen 1's option, the column in which it is being placed. First option for queen 1 is to place in row 1 column 1, or we can place in column 2, 3 or 4 of row 1. If queen 1 is placed in column 1, next queen or any other queen cannot be placed in a same column. So for queen number 2, we are generating second level. Now in this second level, we have to place queen number 2 in row 2. But number of columns, we have only 3 options. If queen 1 is placed in row number 1, column number 1, then queen 2 can be placed in column number 2 or 3 or 4. Similarly, if queen number 1 is placed in column number 2, for queen 2 we have only 3 options, that is column number 1, 3 and 4. If queen 1 is placed in column number 3, remaining option for queen 2 is column number 1, 2 and 4. If queen 1 is placed in column number 4, remaining options for queen number 2 is 1, 2 and 3. Similarly, we are generating options for queen number 3. Now, while working with queen number 3, we have already placed queen 1 and 2. That means 2 columns of board have been occupied. So, options remain for third queen is having only 2 columns. If queen number 1 is in column 1 and queen number 2 is in column 2, for queen number 3, we have options like column 3 or column 4. If queen 1 and 2 are placed in column 1 and 3, for third queen we have only 2 and 4 column option. Similarly, for queen 3, if 1 and 4 columns are occupied, we are only left with column number 3 and 4. If column 2 and 1 are occupied, then we have only column 3 and 4 as an option. Similarly, the complete level of tree is being generated. Last level is the placement of queen number 4, for which we have only one option for column, because already 3 queens have been placed in 3 different columns. So for queen 4, we have option that is remained over a particular branch. So over first branch, where 1, 2 and 3 columns are occupied, we are only left with column number 4. For another branch, 1, 2, 4, we are left with only column number 3. Similarly, if 1, 3 and 2 columns are occupied, we are only left with column number 4. Similar way, the complete tree is being generated. So in total, there are 65 nodes in a tree, which is showing different possibilities of placement of queen. But not all this placement of queen will lead to feasible solution. Some solution over this complete tree that shows a complete vector is not leading to our feasible solution. Problem state. Now, the complete tree that we have generated is called as state space tree, in which each node is called as state of a problem. A problem state is a node given in state space tree. So any node that you consider over this particular tree is problem state. Solution state. A solution state is a path from root to any leaf node. Say for example, if I generate or if I consider a particular path, this one or another one, the path that is generated is branch 1, 4, 3 and 2, that is a vector 1, 4, 2, 3, and another vector or another branch from root to leaf is generated as 3, 1, 2 and 4. Now this complete or this leaf node which is generating the particular solution, not necessarily the feasible solution, is called as solution state. Answer state. Those leaf node which corresponds to the constraint of a problem or which gives feasible solution of a problem is called as answer state. Say for example, path which includes these highlighted nodes which generates a solution 2, 4, 1, 3, which is one of the feasible solution of 4 queens problem. So this particular path or this particular leaf node is called as answer state. Now we will generate state space tree of 4 queens problem using backtracking. The node or the tree need not to be generated fully. We just need to generate only those nodes that might lead towards the feasible solution. For that reason, we must have some bounding condition that will stop our growing our tree at some particular point. Let us start drawing state space tree of 4 queens problem using backtracking. So initially we will start with root node where no queens have been placed. We will start placing queen number 1 in column 1. So if column 1 is being occupied for queen number 1, then we have to place queen number 2. Now level 2 is resembling placement of queen number 2. If column 1 is already occupied, we cannot make use of column 1 in next queen. That's why we will try another option, that is column number 2. So here bounding condition is that we have to restrict our branching or growth of tree when the difference between the column number is same as the difference between the level. Since this is my level number 1 and this is my level number 2, the difference between column should not be equal to difference between levels, that is 1 and 2. Difference between level is L1 minus L2, that is equal to 1, and the difference between column number, that is 1 minus 2, is equal to 1. Please take note that I am taking absolute difference between these values. So we are going to avoid negative sign. So the values are having same, that is the difference between level is equal to the difference between column number. That's why we must bound this particular node, or we must bound the growth of the tree from this particular node and go one step back. That is what backtracking algorithm does. And it tries some other column for queen number 2. Now for queen number 2, we have already tried column number 2. Now we will try column number 3. Now the difference between level is 1 and the difference between the column number is 2. So the difference of column level is not equal to the difference between column. So we will continue growing our tree in this branch. If column 1 and column 3 is being occupied, for queen number 3 we must choose another column, that is not 1 and not 3. So we will start with column number 2. Now the difference between these two levels is 1 and the difference between these two columns number is also 1. So we must bound this particular node and try something different branch. So if column 1 and 3 is occupied, if column 2 is not working, then we are left with column number 4. Now this is our level 2 and this is level 3. Difference between these two levels is 1 and the difference between these two column number is also 1. So tree must not grow from this particular branch by using bounding condition. We must go back one step and try some different option. Now is there any one more option for queen number 3 so that I can try? Only options for queen 3 are only two options, that is column number 2 or 4. There are no more options. So we will go one more step back, that is we have backtracked our queen number 3. And we will try some other option for our queen number 2. This is your queen number 2. Now for queen number 2, we have already tried column number 2 and column number 3. So we will try column number 4 in this case. Now the difference between these two levels is 1 and the difference between the column number is 3. So level difference is not equal to column difference. So we can start growing our tree in this particular branch. Before we go, we have to place queen number 3 as our next queen and column 1 and 4 have been occupied. So the option that we are left with column number 2. If we apply or if we put queen number 3 in column 2, we must check for bounding condition. So the difference between the level and this level is 1 and the difference between the column number is 2. So the difference of level is not equal to difference of column number. So this is the correct placement of queen number 3. Now we will place queen number 4. If queen number 4 is being placed and column number 1, 4 and 2 have been occupied, now we will put queen number 4 in column number 3. But before we complete this particular branch, we must check for bounding condition. So the difference between these two levels is 1 and the difference between the columns is also 1. So using bounding condition, we must stop growing our tree from this particular node and go one step back, that means at this location, and we have to try some different option. But only column 1, 4 and 2 have been occupied. We are only left with column 3. No more options are there, so we must go one step back. Now at this particular location also we have to try some different option. That is column 1 and 4 have been occupied and we have tried for column 2 which is not working out. So let me start with column number 3. Now the difference between two levels is 1 and the difference between these two column number is also 1. So according to bounding condition, this node is again going to get stopped, or we will stop growing our tree from this particular branch. And go one step back, are there any options for queen number 3 where I can place? Only there are two options for which I have tried for queen number 3. So I will go one step back and try another option for queen number 2. For queen number 2, there must be only 3 options, but we have tried all of them. Nothing is working out, so we must again go back one step and try to change the position of queen 1. So let us try queen 1 in some different column. Let me put, previously I have tried queen 1 in column 1. Now let me try put queen number 1 in column number 2. If queen 1 is placed in column number 2, for queen number 2 we are left with only option 1, 3 and 4. Let us start placing queen number 2 in column 1. The difference between these two levels is 1 and the difference between these two column number is also 1. So according to bounding condition, this node will stop growing or stop growing from this particular branch. We will go one step back and try some different option for queen number 2. Let me put queen number 2 in next option, that is equal to 3. Now the difference between these two levels is 1 and the difference between these two column number is also 1. So we will, according to bounding condition, this node will also stop growing. So we will go and back and generate another node of queen 2. Third option of queen 2 is column number 4. Now the level difference of these two levels is 1 and the difference between column number is equal to 2. So the difference of level is not equal to the difference of column. So we can start growing our tree from this particular node. So this node is generated for placement of queen number 3. But before we complete this tree, now look at this terminology. E node. E node is a node whose children are being generated or whose child is getting generated. So out of all these nodes, the node whose children are being generated right now is this particular node. I will call this node currently as my E node. Live node, a node whose children have been generated. For example, say consider this particular node. For this node, there are only possible solution or only possible children are 3. For this particular node, there is only possible children is number of child is 1. For this particular node, there are number of possible children is only 2. So all these nodes are called as live nodes, whose all possible children have been generated. Last definition is dead node, a node whose children cannot be generated. For example, all those nodes who are bounded by some condition, whose node cannot be generated or could not be generated is called as dead node. So all these crossed nodes are actually dead nodes. Now come back to our problem, that is our current E node where we have to place queen number 3. Now look at this, queen 1 is placed in column 2 and queen 2 is placed in column number 4. The columns that are remained for column 3, queen number 3 is column number 3 and column number 1. So let me put queen number 3 in column number 1 first. So the difference between these two levels is 1. Levels difference is not equal to columns difference. So we can grow back this tree in this particular branch. And this branch we have to place queen number 4. Now if column number 2, 4 and 1 have been occupied, we can put this queen in column number 3. But before we progress ahead, we have to check for the difference. The difference between these two levels is 1 and the difference between these two levels is equal to 2. So the levels difference is not equal to columns difference. That's why we say that this node is correct node. But do we have to grow the tree after this particular node? So this node is a placement of queen number 4. Are there any queens that are left to be placed? No. This is the last queen which we have already placed. So the solution or answer state is being generated traversing a path from root to leaf. We have placed queen 1 in column 2, queen 2 in column number 4, queen 3 in column number 1 and queen 4 in column number 3. So if we draw a complete solution, if this is my 4 cross 4 board, first queen is placed in row column number 2. Second queen is placed in column number 4. Third queen is placed in column number 1 and fourth queen is placed in column number 3. Now, if you can see, this solution is a feasible solution because no two queens are falling on same row, same column or in same diagonal. So solution vector is being generated as 2, 4, 1 and 3. 2, 4, 1 and 3. So state space tree will help us to find out a particular solution of a 4 queen or any n queen problem. If we traverse complete a tree, that means if we backtrack from each and every step and start growing a complete tree, that means even if trying for queen number 1 in column 3 as well as in column number 4, if we complete this particular tree, we will be having all possible solutions of 4 queens problem. We have to work in a tree unless and until at least one solution is being generated. If question is asked to generate all possible solutions, we have to work for generation of complete tree. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This is Munira Dopia signing.